This is 32 jokes for programmers. Why do programmers like dark mode? Because light attracts bugs. What do programmers do after work? They grab a bite. Hey Dad, why is the sky blue? It works. Leave it alone. What is a programmer's favorite hangout place? Fubar. What do you call an experienced software developer in Spain? Senior programmer. What do you call a group of programmers? An argument. A programmer walks into a bar, holds up 2 fingers and says, 3 beers please. How many Boolean programmers does it take to screw in a light bulb? 1. What's the difference between C and C++? 1. Hip hip. Hooray! Hip hip. Hooray! You know what the best part about the UDP joke is? I don't care if you get it. How does the ghost programmer scare people? Boolean! Why can't the programmer digest his food well? Because he has a semicolon. What language is most commonly used by programmers? Vulgar. Excuse me, no comment. What makes code bad? Why do Java programmers wear glasses? Because they can't see sharp. A programmer has a problem. He decided to use Java. He now has a problem factory. Knock knock. Who's there? Java. How do you tell a programmer from a D&D player? Ask them to complete this list. I wanted to become a better programmer, so I decided to improve my binary skills. You could say I improved bit by bit. What did the project manager say to the programmer? You start coding, I'm gonna go find out what they want. Yo mama's so fat, even Dijkstra can't find the path around her. Knock knock. Who's there? Broken state machine. Broken state machine who? Knock knock. Why did the programmer quit his job? Because he didn't get a raise. A raise. If you put 1,000,000 monkeys at 1,000,000 keyboards, one of them is eventually gonna write a Java program. The rest, they're gonna write Perl. Knock. Knock. Knock knock. Knock knock knock. Knock 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 knock. Who's there? Fibonacci. How did the programmer die? He was executed. A programmer goes to the butcher and buys a kilogram of meat. An hour later he goes back and says, you shorted me 24 grams. Why do programmers never go to sleep? Everyone knows you don't use go to. What does the R in recursion stand for? Recursion. What does the R in recursion stand for? Recursion. What does the R in recursion stand for? Why do functional programmers avoid most medications? Because they have side effects. What do you call 8 hobbits? A hobbite. Yo mama's so fat, even Dijkstra can't find the path around her. Yo mama's so fat, even Dijkstra can't. What do you call a group of programmers? An argument.